Greaseproof baking cups for cupcakes, muffins for nonstick baking and easy removal from pan and wrapper. Give baked goods a professional look and keep hands clean. Fits standard muffin tins, pack of 40, Orchid Solid. Decorative patterns and colors. Dress up your cupcakes and muffins with these attractive greaseproof liners, great for birthday parties, baby showers and bake sales. Also use as single-serving cups for nuts or candy. Proudly made in the USA. Our professional-grade patisserie baking cups are crafted with Swedish greaseproof baking paper, which prevents grease from soaking through so baked goods stay fresh looking longer. Regency brings chef-grade products to the chef at home. Our foodservice products are preferred by chefs, fine dining restaurants and top retailers around the world. Support small business. Regency Wraps is family-owned and operated in the USA since 1985. All of our products are manufactured, converted or assembled and inspected in our Dallas facility. Give your cupcakes a professional look with Regency greaseproof patisserie-grade baking cups. Made in the USA with Swedish greaseproof baking paper, which prevents grease from soaking through so baked goods stay fresh looking longer. Top reviews from the United States. They worked great. I ordered 2 bags and when I received my cupcakes liners one bag was squished. As you can see on my pictures, as I started placing them on the tray the ones that were damaged would not fit in the mold and it made it a bit more difficult to fill in. Once the liner was filled with cupcake mix, the liner would take its original shape, with the exception of a few. I gave this a 5-star because that's something that probably happened during shipping and it wasn't a big deal to me. The liners were the exact color I was looking for and they worked great.